Hello, everybody. So we are in the jungle by myself, actually. So this is Uvita. Apparently, people have been walking here, and they're telling me that there is a jungle that you could walk for 35 minutes. Which I don't know if I'm going to do the full 35 minutes. So apparently, you could see monkeys, lizards. This is crazy, guys. I'm just walking by myself. I guess this is the pathway in the jungle. I don't know where it leads. I've already seen lizards. I've seen crabs everywhere. I do hear noises. If I die, you watch it. You watch it on YouTube. Oh, what is that? A bird? Oh, this tree, guys. I usually don't. I'm not a risk. Well, sometimes I am. All right, but this is weird. We're looking for monkeys. Lots of coconuts. Oh. Jesus Christ. I'm just being a little quiet. I hear lots of weird noises. Tell me, guys, would you go into the jungle by yourself? What the heck? I'm just not gonna say anything because what the hell? I swear to God, guys, I feel like something is gonna jump right at me. Oh, there's a lizard right there. Hello. Maybe I should be more conscious because what if there's a snake? Oh my God. What do I do, guys? Do I continue in? This is fucking freaky. Oh my God, guys, I'm swearing. Like, now I'm like, this is, oh, wow. Okay. Spider webs. Like, I'm kind of spooked out. Like, I'm looking to see if I could, oh my God. Where do I go? What is that? Birds? Okay. But then there's... Oh, okay. Man, there's a pathway. Okay. Holy smoke. Guys, this is nuts. Yo, what's that? I just saw something yellow. Oh, it's a leaf. Guys, this is wild. I never really walked in a jungle by myself. And I don't know what I'm gonna see. What I'm most worried about? Snakes. What's that? Oh. Okay. Wow. Butterfly. Huge. This is a walk and a half, guys. This is a terrifying jungle walk. What the heck is that? I don't know what I'm gonna see. Like, what is that noise? People said that they're gonna see monkeys. Where are the monkeys? Why can't they just have this in English? Sorry for my silence, but this is like wild. I'm in awe. And you guys are catching it on YouTube. There's a whole jungle. By the way, we're in Uvita, Costa Rica. I love saying some of these names. What the hell was that? Oh my god, guys. I don't know what I just stepped on. But some of the names for the countries are the best. Uvita, Costa Rica. Why is this a dead end? Oh. Not a dead end. It looked like a dead end. Tell me, guys, how many jungles have you guys done? I've done actually a few, not by myself though. There was one in Colombia, and that one was wild. That was the most, like, that was like the walk, the humidity, let's say, from the walk, it was the worst. Like, when I come back out of the jungle, like, I was all water. Like, I was dying of heat. Like, it was so bad. I can't remember the name. I think it was in Santa Marta. Oh, so we're going to see iguanas. Okay, mono monkeys, iguanas, birds. Another bird, a monkey. Okay, let's cool. Let's slowly walk. Okay, the beach is right there. Oh, where are they? I don't see anything right now. I am looking at all the trees. Well, if anything happens, I could run out of here to the beach. Beach is right there. You tell me this is the end? Where is the monkeys? Somebody said this was 35 minutes. I think I just walked 11 minutes. Yeah, not even. We're at 11 minutes. It's not the end. It is the end. Oh. 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 What the fuck? Oh! Holy shit. Wow. It just flew over my head. Wow, that was wild. It just went like over my head, like screaming. I was like, what the heck?
Coming for you.
Yeah. All right. Is this the end? Well, I was just walking through the whole thing. I don't know if that's more over the... You don't know?
No.
Wow, that was crazy. Oh, there's more. Okay, that's the end there. But I don't know. Okay, so there's more. I think. No. That's it? I'm so confused. I don't know if I should walk more. Oh, there is more. But you can get out of here. Alright guys, this is wild. That was one crazy bird. Like went over my head, screaming. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end it here because I don't think I'm going any further. See something? Yeah, I don't know. Well, is this a pathway? It seems like it is, but I am ending it here, guys. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, thanks, and please like, subscribe, share. Bye, guys.